Hi class, we're going to take a look now at checkpoint 3. So checkpoint 3 for our Attention Please project starts with the PSA storyboard. In this checkpoint, we're going to be creating our storyboard. And in this case, it says you're going to be writing the script of your PSA, including all the components from the outline. So using what I completed in checkpoint 2 for my outline, where I was able to put phrases and words, and maybe not all of my complete thoughts fully developed. Now it's time to develop those thoughts and ideas. So then you're going to create a storyboard. Okay, so you'll notice our 2 cog skills are the same as checkpoint 2. So take a look at those. If you need more details, go back and look at the video for checkpoint 2 about argumentative claim and integration of evidence. You'll notice it says that we're looking in the plans on days 6 and 7 for checkpoint 3, days 6 and 7. So I'm going to go see what instructions, what lessons are there to help me develop those ideas. Starting on day 6, my goals for today and my instructions are pretty straightforward. Today I'm going to read about writing PSA scripts. So there's a video, and honestly guys, I don't think this is going to take you very long. You should be able to complete days 6 and 7 all at the same time. Okay, so you have scripting a PSA. All right. And if you want, you can go back and actually look at like what is a PSA, outlining. There's some other lessons that you can use in here if that will help you. But today we're looking at mostly doing the script. So a couple of things to notice in here: appealing to an audience. You're using a persuasive writing today. You're trying to prove your claim. You're trying to convince someone else to drink more water or get more exercise, whichever the articles you chose at the beginning as your claim for your final product. So these are some ways to appeal to an audience. So I want you to read through those. That will help you, especially with your evidence when you're trying to persuade your audience to do whatever it is you're trying to claim is a way to keep health or to help have you be healthy. So it starts with the 2-column script, which is one of your choices for a product in checkpoint 3. So the 2-column script is here. It gives you some information about the audio and visual, so that might be confusing at first. So please make sure to read through this information. All right. Also in checkpoint 3 is day 7. So 2 days of work on checkpoint 3. On day 7, I have some instructions. Remember, they're a little hard to see, so always click the read more button so that you can see everything. On the instructions, it says to complete the checkpoint and request feedback. It tells you that there are 2 choices. Option 1 is to use the 2-column script, and we'll see that document in a moment. You're going to fill in what you see and what you hear for each section of the script. This option allows you to type on the document and submit it that way. You will have to describe what you see. You're describing the pictures instead of drawing them. Option 2 is to do the storyboard. You will draw what pictures that you need for each section, and you're going to write the words of the script on the lines below it. Or you can add them to the drawing similar to what you did in the graphic novel project. You can draw one all the way out on blank paper and submit the photo, or some people have asked if they can create it in a Google document. Either way is fine, as long as you can create it as a storyboard. The documents you're going to need are down below in checkpoint 3. So those documents look similar to the ones I have for example. So let's take a look at that. So I said you have 2 choices. You can choose between the 2-column script. So this is a 2-column script, and as you remember from me reading just a moment ago, it said that the 2-column script was going to be all words. So in this table, the first row across is the attention grabber. In the first column for attention grabber, they want me to put the audio. What do I hear? So in that box, we're going to be typing the words for the PSA attention grabber. Think about the hook that we wrote in checkpoint 2. Maybe you have some feedback that you want to improve upon. So for my example that I've been using in all my videos was the My Plate technique of eating healthier. So my example was to write the words, "Are you looking for a fun way to eat healthier? Take a look at a fun way to place food on your plate. It's called My Plate." Now, while those words are being read in the PSA, are being spoken, what am I going to be seeing? So over here in the video box, I'm going to write what we see. So I need to describe what I would be seeing there while someone is saying these words. So I was thinking a couple of kids sitting there thinking. They have some kind of thought bubble above them, and in the bubble would be a picture of the My Plate. So the little example that we had from the website. Now, if you're more into drawing, then you'll probably like this format. And this is the one where you must draw and use words. The words still need to be typed out in complete thoughts, still needs to have that fully developed idea. So you can either print the one from the website, from Summit Learning, or you can draw your own on a piece of paper. Okay, so in each of the boxes, still walking through the parts of your storyboard, we need an attention grabber, an introduction, we need our main claim, we need our reason 1 with our developed ideas for evidence, reason 2, reason 3, and our conclusion. The difference here is the words are the same, but now I'm actually drawing the pictures. I hope this helps you understand how to complete checkpoint 3. Make sure to check in with your teacher if you need more assistance for a workshop time. Thank you.